Good day. We want to look at methods of dynamically selecting any sheet without directly referencing that sheet. And here I have two methods, and let's look into that. So we'll click Developer tab, Visual Basic or Alt F11, and here I've created a user form and a combo box has been added. To create a user form, click Insert, then User Form. Then for the toolbox, you can click View and Toolbox. So this is the combo box that has been added. And in method 2, I've added two text boxes as well as a label. So let's close this. So and I've also selected the combo box and rename it as a CMB cell. And in the row source of the combo box, I type in months. In the row source, I type in months, and let's see what that represents. So we can go back to the Excel. So I selected January to December, and I type in months here and hit the enter key. That's a name range. So the months here is what we have on the combo box. We double click the combo box to see the code. Here I have a one-line code. Sheets cmbcell.test.activate. Whatever is the content of the combo box, which is cmbcell, that whatever is the content will be the sheets to be referenced. That's the meaning. And the usual way of referencing a particular sheet is to say sheets sheet3.activate. So that is the usual way, but you'll be referring to just one sheet. But here you can select any sheet dynamically. Let's see how that works. So you can click the button here, and so you can use the drop down or type it manually. If I type J, so because January is the first J, the month with J, so you have January. If I type in the second letter is changed to U, I have June. If the third letter is changed to L, I have July. And if I type in D, that will be December. I could as well use the drop down and select August. So we are able to dynamically select different sheets. Even where you have 100 sheets, we'll be able to select any sheet. So let's quickly see the second method. So I have two labels here, just for labeling purpose, but I have two text boxes that have been coded. So you can click on text box 1. So I have text box 1 and text box 2. And this time, and I want to select a range. So that is sheet 2 dot range D. And let's quickly look at sheet 2. So this is sheet 2. So D1. So range D1 will be able to select this, and the content is January. And D7 will be able to select this, and the content of D7 is July. And let's get back. But we want to select that dynamically. So and I've actually declared a variable I. So dim I as integer. Dim I as integer, and I equals the content of the text box. So I equals text box 1.text. So sheet 2 dot range D. Rather than referring to just one range, I want it to be dynamic. So that's why I have range D and I. Remember, we're using 1 to 12. So range D and I. So if it is range D1, that the content of that is January, and range D7, the content is July. So sheet 2 dot range D and I. So here I will be able to select range, but in the text box 2, I've taken whatever I have here, I've taken the value. So if I have D1, the value will be January, and I'm referencing that sheet. Means that I will be able to select range here, but I'll be able to select sheets in text box 2 as we have in method 1. So let's see how that works. So I will use the green button here. If I type in 8 here, August is selected, we can see it above here, and 8 here, you select sheets August, and 12